Hey guys, building a rack for some of my snakes. We have 11 tubs. I use the medium concrete tubs from Home Depot. They were actually cheaper than buying the totes even from Walmart, so we went with these. So there's 11 of them. Okay, next week I will order the heat tape for it. I want to put sides and a back on it, but I want to put the heat tape on first so I can run it up and over. And I'll make the side so the panel comes off easy with half a dozen screws on each side and the back. So yeah, that's a project I've been working on. Can't wait to get it done. It'll save me a little room.